Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. Today you will learn lion mentality in this video. Let's start. First you need to understand, to learn lion mentality, you need to overcome your fear. Opinion of society is biggest fear in today's world. When you will stop, get scared from your problem, at that moment they will get vanished. They will no longer exist for you. You need to lighten greatest awareness in your heart. You can feel freedom with this awareness. If you will not feel freedom in your heart, then you will feel fear and uncertainty in your mind every day. Person like this cannot take control of their own life. Person like this is incapable to live their life happily. Now, to overcome your all fears and feel freedom, you are going to apply lion mentality in your life. Look at the lion. Lion don't have fear in his mind. He knows his freedom. That is the reason he is fearless. Lion don't listen anyone. He knows where he want to go. Whenever lion goes, he is fearless. Lion is the king of his job. Lion is not the biggest animal. Lion is not the fastest animal. Lion is not that intelligent animal. However, he is the king of jungle. And do you know why? It's the mentality of lion that makes the lion king of the jungle. What is the lion mentality? Fearless, courage, and of course bravery. And all of this means the lion. Nowhere in the world you would see that the lion would lie down. To adopt this lion mentality, you need to not be fearless, and you need to chase what you really want. You need to be focused and keep fighting until your goal get achieved, until things get worked in your favor. You must keep fighting. Even if there is no guarantee of success, you need to be fearless and courageous. Lion don't have fear. That is the reason when he goes for a fight, he goes with 100% fearless feeling. When lion goes for hunting, he goes with courage. If you apply this mentality in your life, then imagine how great your life will look like. What if you just started believing in yourself and your own abilities? Raise unbreakable self-belief inside you. Trust your intuition without any doubt and just be what you want. Just go for everything you want in your life with the same certainty as a lion. You can't be dependent on other people to achieve goal of your life. You are the only responsible person for your goal and for your life. Do deep dive in your mind and then take responsibility and ownership of your life. Take responsibility and ownership of your actions to achieve your goal in life. No one can tell you what is the best for you in your life. You need to figure out what is the best for you. You really need to decide which track you need to follow to achieve your dreams in your life. You must make sure that your decisions are based on your bravery, your courage, and your freedom. You must choose those decisions with a certain freedom. The alignment has Freedom the Lion. Lion will die for his freedom, but he will not lie down. Freedom is the most valuable asset on the planet. Something you can only understand if you have experienced in your own life. You must fight for freedom by your own. You really need to understand the freedom to speak whatever thing you want. Freedom to live your life with your own rules. Freedom to take decisions in your life. You really need to free yourself from mindset of what other people will say. Just be the way you are. This courage will help you to be fearless person. Every person has one thing in their life for which they are willing to fight. If you have anything of value to the lion, you better be prepared to fight. You need to feel like a lion to achieve his mentality. Walk like a lion to feel confident. Feel fearless feeling of lion. Remember, he is ready to attack all the time because he is fearless. As soon as you will start to feel like lion, you will move your body and mind in lion mentality mode. Feel you are lion and you have lion mentality. 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 You are lion and you have lion mentality.